Welcome back to my channel. Want thick, shiny, and frizz-free hair this winter? Your secret is here, Fenugreek. In this video, we'll create 3 powerful DIYs, a fenugreek oil, toner, and mask, that will transform your hair naturally. Let's begin the magic. Fenugreek Hair Oil for hair growth and shine. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds, methi dana, 2 tablespoons. Curry leaves, 10 to 12 leaves. Black seeds, kalonji, 1 teaspoon. Coconut oil, 4 tablespoons. Castor oil, 2 tablespoons. Argan oil, 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil, 1 capsule. Aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon. In a small pan, add coconut oil, castor oil, and argan oil. Add fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, and black seeds into the oil. Heat on low flame until seeds turn golden brown and aromatic. Do not overheat. Turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Strain the oil into a glass bottle. Add 1 vitamin E capsule and 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, then mix well. How to use: warm slightly before applying. Massage into your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave overnight or for at least 2 hours, then wash with mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Regular use promotes thick, shiny, frizz-free hair and reduces hair fall naturally. Fenugreek Hair Toner for smooth and frizz-free hair. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds, methi dana, 2 tablespoon. Curry leaves, 5 to 6 leaves. Hibiscus petals or leaves, 4 to 5. Water, 1 cup. Aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon. Glycerin, 1 teaspoon. Almond oil or jojoba oil, 1/2 teaspoon. Rose water, 1/2 cup. Preparation: in a saucepan, add 2 cup water, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, and hibiscus petals. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes until the water reduces to half. Let it cool completely, then strain the liquid. Add aloe vera gel, glycerin, almond oil, and rose water. Mix well and pour into a spray bottle. How to use: spray on clean, damp hair after shampooing. Gently massage into the scalp and leave it, no rinse needed. Use 3 to 4 times a week for best results. It hydrates your scalp, tames frizz, adds shine, and keeps hair fresh all day long. Fenugreek Hair Mask for deep repair and moisture. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds, methi dana, 2 tablespoons. Yogurt, curd, 2 tablespoons. Aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. Banana, ripe, 1/2 piece. Preparation: soak 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds overnight in half a cup of water. Next morning, blend the soaked seeds into a smooth paste. Add yogurt, aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and 1/2 banana, optional. Mix until you get a creamy, lump-free texture. How to use: apply evenly from scalp to hair ends. Leave on for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse with a mild shampoo and cool water. Use once a week for best results. This mask deeply repairs damage, reduces dryness, and gives instant softness and shine. So there you have it. 1 ingredient, 3 powerful DIYs for your winter hair care routine. Try these once a week and say goodbye to dryness, hair fall, and dullness forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread natural beauty secrets. Thank you for watching.